time to do my purse switch. What will I switch to this time? Hi, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev, and welcome back to my channel. Well, as most of you know, around the first of the month, I always switch purses because I have so many and I want to make use of them. So I try to switch often, just once a month. Before, I used to never switch them, and I thought, why do I have all these purses if I don't use them? So if you remember correctly, last one I did in Yuma, because I didn't do on the 1st of April, but I used this during the month of March because of being down in the Southwest in Arizona. And said I would be using this through April, so I used this for 2 months. So now I'm gonna probably wash it and then save it for next year. So I'm going to switch out of this Vera Bradley bag. And after much thought and consideration, what the heck is that from? I'm going to move into this Vera Bradley bag. Now both of these are the on-the-go style. And I've had this a long time, but I just love the colors in it. And, I'm going to be traveling, so I had to keep in mind, what do I want to use when I'm traveling back east? Well, my luggage is purple, and so it kind of matches. And my carry-on that I put under the seat in front of me is this same material. So I like to have them close to matching so that I can stick this in there a little bit, so they don't see that I'm carrying on 3 things. So let's get started. We'll start emptying this first. It shouldn't take long. I don't have that much in here. It's the same old stuff you've seen before. So of course I still carry my little disinfectants, the antibacterial hand spray. This is pineapple coconut to spray on the carts when I go into stores. So of course that will be going back in. And those I always put on these little side things here. So it's really easy to carry, you pull them out. Of course I've got my, let's see, being this is a newer holder, it's harder to get through. Okay, there's the first hole. Okay, so this I'll be putting back on. This is a pineapple mango hand sanitizer, which I use often when I get in the car, especially if you're getting in a car that isn't your own. Oh, let's see, one of these left. This is a thing for dry mouth. I'll keep that in there. And then, of course, I always have extra little wipes, little wipe ones. And let's see. I'm always carrying these little stall mates. Reminds me, I just did a Rose War Panty Power today, and they didn't have any of these in it. Anyway, these are great for, like, say, when you're out somewhere and you got to use the potty, but you want to freshen up, right? Have these. I've got several of these little things for emergency to clean my glasses. A couple of the wet little ones to clean glasses. Kleenex. A couple more stall mates. That's another little wipe thing. And here is my little, in case I'm ever out and I fall and I really hurt myself, my back. These little painkillers will help. Help me get home. All right, so that's this outside. Okay, now we'll move to the inside. Of course, it's got several pockets. The one pocket here is where I always slide my cell phone into. And I did have this mask in there, but it's been in there a while. I had pulled it out today in case I needed to use it when I went and had an MRI done, and I didn't. But I think I'm going to throw this one out, get a fresh one. Let's see. It's my appointment book. What's this? Okay, these are my listing of all the thrift stores in Yuma that are not even open there anymore, but because that's why most of them I didn't find. Throw that out now, we're not in Yuma. Of course, sunglasses. Still using my little wallet I switched to last time. This one seems to be working out okay. Doesn't take up much room, but yet it fits everything. Oh, look, here's some more stallmates. My hairbrush from Dollar Tree. Just push it back down. And it's always clean when you take it out. Oh, look at these little papers. TJ Maxx. Something I bought at TJ Maxx. Then I ripped the tag off. Oh, Goodwill thing. I made that one. I put in my records. And this is where Michelle and I went and had lunch when I was in Vegas. I haven't tried these yet. They're the little breath strips that Michelle suggested I try. I keep forgetting I have them. She says they work well for like dry mouth. I should just open it. So let's open. I'm always too lazy to open them when I'm, moving around somewhere. Come on, baby. Hi. Oh, that's a better size. Yeah, I've got one of my inhalers. This doesn't do any good. The doctor keeps saying, gotta use that every day. Why? It doesn't do anything. Okay, so that's that one. Then I get to these little side things right here. What fell? Nothing. Oh, here it is. I had gotten this from some little thing that came. I don't remember where from. Little notepad. You are amazing. Okay, in one of the little slots, I keep my lip stuff. It's Carmex, this cute little Tony Moly lip balm, and then a little lip color, and a nail file. The center one, oh wait a minute, there's something still in there. A mirror, which I never use. I've had it for years and years. And hair and nail clippers. So that's in that one little slot. In the center slot, I keep Tic Tacs and floss. I have this one tooth over here. There's just enough space to where anytime I eat, depending what it is, especially like food gets stuck in it. Well, here's my lotion from Tony Moly. Almost out of this. I'm in the last slot. What do I have here? Oh, another little lipsticky thing. Okay, that's everything. Now, I have that one little, like a little purse thing or makeup little bag thing that I have other things in that I find I don't use it that often. So I end up just leaving it on the seat in the car, and it's got like more nail files, a little bit more note paper, my nail polish for when I go get my nails done, that kind of stuff. So we'll put that down there, and we'll get to this. I don't know what this will do. Maybe I washed it since the last time I used it, and that's the bottom of it. Let me see if I can get it back in very easily. If you don't notice there's a cardboard down in there, when you wash it, it'll get all geeky. So let's turn it inside out. Kind of a pretty pattern on the inside too. So let's see. Let's go into the bottom. It had to have been a long time ago that I did this. See, it just slides back in the bottom. I just have a hard time getting in because of my hands. Okay, now we'll turn it back the right way. Like I say, I've used this purse a lot. It's so pretty. What's the matter, girlfriend? She's always working on her speech. She wants to talk to us so badly. She's always walking around trying to do little different sounds and words with her mouth. Okay, so we'll start with the outside pouches, which Same old things will go back in. I got a lot of these. I think I don't need more than, if I'm going on a trip though, I'm not going to put them all back in. I'm just going to put in maybe 4 of them, little stallmates. And the little eyeglass cleaners. Little wipes. Okay, I'm going to just throw this one out. Disinfectant little thing. It's just... Okay, my 2 eyeglass cleaners. It'd be funny if I looked up here and after all this time I wasn't recording. Real funny. Okay. Oh, wait, there's one more thing. Kleenex. Because you never know. You might get in a stall and there's no toilet paper. Okay, so that's all for the outside. So those things went back in. Easy. I'll put this guy back in on the outside thing. And everything else just kind of goes back in. Well, except for the little slots. That's, oops. I think I'll put this back down in here, my paintings. Lay this down on the bottom. Wallet. Where did it go? A calendar. Did I already drop it in? Okay. Sunglasses. Here. So then the rest of this will go... Let's see, back in the same spots, you know, same purse. The Tic Tacs and the floss are the one. Let's put all the lippy things in. And then another. What is that man doing? You hear the noise? Okay, where's a good place to put this where I'll remember it? I'll put it back where I normally put my cell phone. Okay, then we've got to put some lotion spot. I think I'm going to put these things all with the lotion in. Well, I'll put the mirror where the lipstick is. That stuff there. Lotion there. I think that's it. There's nothing left here. So we're all ready to go. I need to put this on, but I usually have, let's see, usually have to have Bob put it on because it's still fairly new. Hasn't stretched out a lot yet. So that'll do it, guys. What do you think? Do you approve of my choices? Please comment below, share, like, and subscribe. And I hope you're all having a wonderful, sunny, warm week wherever you are. I love you all. Bye.